Hello, welcome to the video of the Renault Megane. This is the 275 brake horsepower Sport, so it's the 2-litre turbocharged version. I'm going to start under the bonnet, just get a torch, because it's easier for me, so it's not fiddly. So we've got the torch here, under the bonnet, it's all standard looking under here. There's no added extras, no fancy air filters, strut braces, etc. So it's all factory standard. Antifreeze is nice bright red because it has recently had a cam belt kit as well. You can see everything is nice and clean. This vehicle is HPI clear as well, so it's not been involved in an insurance claim accident. We've had a good look around it as well. All the clips seem to be there, nothing missing, nothing out of the ordinary, no broken headlights, catchers, etc. Nothing like that. Okay, up here under the bonnet up here, right, okay, I'm going to shut this bonnet, carry on with the rest of the video. So let's start on the front. I've got my torch here so you can see right down here as well. No damage to that grille, it's all nice and clean. It's got the number plates here from one of the places that sold it before. So Motor Vogue down at MK42, so that's Milton Keynes. Got the RS badge there. All the headlights are nice and clean and clear. The bonnet is very good. No stone chips. Do you know why? Because it's had this on as well. This Gen 3 ceramic coating program on this vehicle. So it has been ceramic coated at some point in its life. And that bonnet is immaculate. Let's look down here on the corners of the bumpers as well. There's no scuffs on the edges of the bumper. The alloy wheels very clean in the graphite, and obviously Michelin tyres as well all round. All the tyres are very good on the tread. Let's have a look on the front. It's past the MOT as well with no advisories. Past the MOT, no advisories. The original windscreen, Renault windscreen, very clean. No major chips or cracks we can see at all. Back to the wing mirror in gloss black. They're nice and tidy. There's no condensation or green moss growing inside the indicators. Bottom of the doors, very clean. No tar spots, anything like that. No dents, no scratches anywhere on the vehicle. We've been around it. It's all very clean. Right close to the door handle. There's no scratches, fingernail scratches anywhere. All the glass is clean. The roof is clean as well, immaculate. The pan roof there. It's a fixed pan roof, by the way. That's a fixed pan roof. That alloy wheel. The back's not got Michelin's on. The back is a what's that one now? Let's get the torch there. The back tyre is a Kumo. So the back tyres are Kumos. Bumper immaculate. Tailpipe nice and clean. It's got the reverse camera as well, this vehicle. So the reverse camera is somewhere, as well as the reverse parking sensors. That's the camera up there. Right in the middle, that's the camera. And the paintwork, the badges. Let's look inside here. The fuel cap. It's all nice and clean. Paintwork up here. The alloy wheel. It's got the grooved brake disc as well on this. It's got some grooved brake disc on the front. I'm not sure if it's standard or what, but yeah, they're the grooved brake disc. All the brake pads are really good as well, not advised on the MOT. That's the alloy wheel. Back of that wing mirror, clean. No condensation in the indicator. All this area is nice and clean. And we're back down to the front of the car. You can see. Right, let's get the let's get to the driver's door. Driver's door, all very clean. It's got the carbon fibre, imitation carbon fibre, sort of like, what do we call it, cloth on there. Electric windows, electric wing mirrors, all nice and clean. The aluminium foot pedals, all that area is clean. It's got the cubby holes there as well, storage cubby holes. The Renaultsport kick plates there, very clean. And the seats as well are very clean. That's the bolster there. It's not worn through or anything like that, or that one. It's all nice and clean. Steering wheel with the cruise control or speed limiter, computer, etc. So today, 63,627. All the usual things that come with this model. Leather armrest there as well. The pan roof, embroidered RS logos. Put this seat forward. Inside the back, very clean. 3 headrests, 3 seat belts, and also got the Isofix anchoraging points as well. All very clean. Doesn't smell of dogs. Doesn't smell of smoke either. So all very clean. No trap seatbelt marks on the door shuts. All the stickers are there. They're not being jet washed off. And the back here, parcel shelf. Inside here, clean boot floor as well. And then here you've got the tyre inflation kit, etc. That's all there. And we've also got it's got a spare wheel. Sorry, this one's got the spare wheel in there. Can't see that, but we've got the pictures. I think we've got the pictures. Spare wheel well with a first aid kit as well. So that's all nice and clean in here. Like I say, it's not dirty or damaged or anything like that. It's immaculate. Same with the edge of the bumper there. There's no scratches or marks or chips on the bumper. Around the shuts as well, nice and clean both sides. Up here, nice and clean. This side door, let's open that. That's all nice and clean. That seat obviously immaculate. No wear and tear at all. The dashboard there. All this area here as well. Another cubby hole there. Storage as well. And then let's pull this seat back. So the wires work, the cables aren't snapped. The wires all work there. It's got the fitted carpet set. The front 2 carpet mats have been jet washed and they're outside at the moment drying. So they are included, the front car mats. Let's look at the paperwork. It's the paperwork. We've got all the got the logbook there. We've got all the invoices, which I've pictured actually. I've shown you pictures of that, so all that's there, including the cam belt picture. A Renault Megane workshop manual as well. And then here you've got the service booklet, instructions. So on these, service booklet is the rear of the driver's handbook. So we do that, you can see that's a service booklet there. It's all stamped, it's all there. So the cam belt was done by RS Performance Centre. Every major service on there. That was at 47,000 miles in 2022. And then there the other service. The last service was by a Renault specialist in Sheffield. And we've just had it MOT'd as well, just to make sure it is fault free, should we say. Okay, so this car will include a warranty as well. It's a 6 month. It's a 6 months high performance warranty policy as well to cover these vehicles. And it's got 2 keys, so it's 2 key cards there. So what I'm going to do is get into the vehicle, let's start the engine. So let's get inside, press that button there, let's look at the dash, foot on the brake, clutch down. There we go. So everything's okay. So inside we've got the key slot there, put the key card in there. So 2 key cards, 6-speed gearbox, computer down here as well. Put this into reverse, you can see that's the reverse camera. So that all works. The beeper, the sports steering wheel with a leather, perforated leather as well, with a little thing on top that comes in. That's quite fashionable at the moment, and it's like high gloss piano black centre there. etc. Let's put the lights on. Let's put the lights on. Let's look at the lights. So I'm sure these are xenon lights. Yes, they're xenon. Front lights are xenon, and you've got the LED daytime running lights as well. You can hear the engine. Sounds very sweet. Like I say, it's also had the spark plugs changed recently as well. So I looked at the service history, and I think the spark plugs have been changed twice on this vehicle. So it's good to know. Let's blip the accelerator. Let's up at the back. There's no smoke or anything like that. Okay, so if you've got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage, and we'll be happy to quote you. We also can carry out finance on this vehicle as well, up to 7 years to pay. 7 years to pay on this one. The finance starts at the moment around 9.9%, the average is 12.9%. You can view the finance figures on our website advert. It shows you. You can obviously enter your amount of deposit you like. You can adjust it to say if you can only afford a certain amount a month, so like £500, you put that in, it'll show you how much deposit you need and how many monthly terms you desire. You can change all that. That's on our website, so go to our website and you can see all those figures. So any more questions, just let me know. We're here to help, and we do delivery as well, anywhere in the world. We've sold a few Audi R8s to Australia. We've got one here actually. Let's lift this one up. So in Australia, that's a Gen 2 R8 there. So that's good for Australia as well. So we do export, you know, Northern Ireland as well, Germany. We have sold a few cars. Sold one to Croatia once as well. So yeah, anywhere in the world we can deliver. So any more questions, please drop us a line, and hope to see you soon, and hope you enjoyed the video as well. Thank you.